Hi everyone, and welcome again to Marketing Shred. What if I told you that you can connect ChatGPT directly to Notion using a super simple app, and all it takes is enabling developer mode in ChatGPT 5? Yeah, I was shocked too when I found out the endless possibilities and connections available in Rube.app. It's a total game changer for your AI setup. Let's look into it. First, open ChatGPT and go to Settings, Connectors, Advanced Settings, Developer Mode. Turn this on. You'll see an orange label that confirms it's enabled. Next, go to Rube.app and sign in. I've already created an account, but if you haven't, create one. It's free. Now head over to the marketplace and search for Notion. Click on the Notion connector. This is the tool we'll use. Click on Complete Setup. We'll ask you to install Rube inside ChatGPT. Make sure ChatGPT is still in developer mode. You will see the instruction on how to enable it in ChatGPT here too. Now copy the MCP URL from Rube. Back in ChatGPT, under developer mode, go to Settings, Connectors. Make sure developer mode is enabled. Got back to the ChatGPT home and add source. Paste the MCP URL, name your tool Notion Connector or whatever you want, and hit Trust and create the connection. This will install the Notion connector inside ChatGPT. Next, authorize access to your Notion workspace. You'll be asked which pages ChatGPT can use. I recommend selecting all pages or creating a new workspace just for ChatGPT. Also, go back to Rube.app and check the dashboard homepage to confirm the Notion setup is marked complete. Sometimes it may still show complete setup even after it's done. This double check ensures you're good to go. Once connected, your tool is ready to use. Now, let's test it. In ChatGPT, make sure developer mode is on and the Notion MCP tool is enabled. Now type something like, list all my Notion pages I can edit from here. It may ask for authorization, just confirm it manually. Now, let's try something a little more advanced together. Go ahead and type, create a new page inside TeamSpace Home or your own TeamSpace and name it, Dashboard Personal and Work. You'll probably get a prompt asking to confirm tool access. Just hit confirm, and there it is like magic. A brand new page instantly appears inside your Notion workspace. This developer mode feature is still in beta, so keep testing to make sure it creates content where you want it. But the power it unlocks is incredible. You can manage multiple apps and workflows straight from ChatGPT. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. And if you want to see how I create a full Notion template using ChatGPT, check out the next video right here.